Okay, we installed Excalibur 1670 with the Linkr unit to do everything from the phone. To hit lock, you can hit lock here. Locks your doors. Unlock here. Unlocks your door. Turns off the alarm. Remote start. Truck will start right now. Okay. Tells you the run time here. Once it reports back to the system, it will start telling you. See? Then it starts doing a countdown of how long the truck has been running. It'll take a few seconds to do it anyway. While we're waiting, to turn it off is here. This is the level of the battery. It lets you know the voltage of the battery. See the countdown already? It starts giving you 15 seconds, blah, blah, blah. Goes backwards until it turns off because it's programmed to run for 15 minutes. Then you got the signal of the unit. You can the app selects the picture of the vehicle, including the color. It's a pretty cool unit. To turn it off, if you want to turn it off, you hit unlock. Turn off the truck here, and that will turn off the vehicle. Okay, so now I gave you the green that the truck is off. And then of course, when you're on the alarm, through the firmware, everything is interact with the remote control. So when you lock it, it locks here, and it turns on my alarm as well. When you hit it from the factory remote, it unlocks. If you remote start it, you press this 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and it will remote start the truck. Or it comes with it comes with my alarm remotes. You can do everything from here as well. Arm, this arm, and then you can press this to remote start the truck. It doesn't have a trunk. But if you had a car that had a trunk, you can pop the trunk, and you can also do it from the phone. So in essence, I'm going to go ahead and arm the system. I'm going to bang on the glass. We'll open it. There's a notification that the alarm fired off. Okay, so yeah, this is the Excalibur 1670. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And yes, we do have free mobile service. Thank you for watching this video on this 2017 F350.